got the lips that were meant to be kissed, and you're over sweet 16. Oh, beautiful girl, what a gorgeous creature, beautiful girl. Let me call the preacher, what can I do but give my heart to you?
Happy, could you freshen up and come back here, please?
Yes, Mr. Phillips.
Very good, Phillips. You should be able to meet the competition. Who's that young lady that just left? She looks familiar.
I knew you'd notice her. I featured her in this part because I think she's got a lot of talent. She'd be great for the part of the kid's sister.
I'm afraid